What's going on, everybody? I'm Aaron.
I'm Katie.
And today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, what are we making?
Bird feeder wine bottle things.
Yep. We're taking some wine bottles, pie tins, and a ton of zip ties. And we're going to make a bird feeder. So this should be an interesting project because I've never seen anything done like this before. And maybe because it's probably difficult to do. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just being a little too scared. But anyway, you ready to get started, Katie? So what we'll need to do first, and I'll go ahead and hand you your zip tie, is we need to make a ring for the neck. And you want to make it so that it's not on there extremely tight, but just tight enough to kind of hold the bottle in place. So maybe like that much. And again, we'll trim all this up afterwards. Yeah, there you go. So basically when the bottle sits, it'll sit and that'll hold it kind of in. You pulled the meat, didn't you?
It fell right off.
Well, the reason okay, so yeah, that'll be the first step. Our next step will be to go ahead and start making a few chains that'll hold basically everything in place. So take a few zip ties here, and just you can stand the bottle straight up. It'll work for what we're doing right now. And basically just make a chain. Yeah, it's not going to sit perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't let it stress you, Katie. Do not let this stress take you over. Remember, be like Goo Lagoon. Okay, so I've got the rings made around it for the most part. This is not actually looking anything like I'd hoped it would. I'm not real happy with the way this turned out, but so far. But I figured out a way to keep them from like twisting up and binding up and mixing together to make a mess. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so after some major reconstruction on this, because yeah, we had to fix some things. They went to clothes hanger. But anyway, had to hot glue our ends here to kind of hold them in place. But that's pretty much what you want to do for now. Eventually we'll go and clip all this stuff off. So the next step is we're going to make a ring like this out of zip ties and put it under here. Basically make it so that it fits inside around the pie tin. And then we're going to zip tie that to here, clean it up, and it should hold pretty well. You don't want it too far. You probably want about like here, and we'll show you the final product to kind of give you an idea. But anyway, we're going to go work on that because working on it on camera takes a long time, and I really don't want to bore you with that. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'm going to set this off to the side for now and at least show you how to get the ring together under here. So take 4 zip ties, zip tie them together end to end, and then you want to kind of force them around the pie tin. Easier said than done with a square versus round object, you know. That little kindergarten toy they teach you, ignore it. Ignore it all the way through because it's not going to. So let me see. Alright, let me try to see if I can widen that out a little bit. Yep, probably going to have to do some widening with the zip ties or get another set and just do that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 4 zip ties here. Probably want to use all of the same type just because it would be easier. So there, 2, oh wow, that one's been cut, but that's okay. There, and then, thank you, Katie. This one to this one, and then the easiest way to judge it is basically get it around your pie tin and then zip that in place. Yep, thank you, Katie. Zip them all kind of in place so that they go around the bottom of the pie tin, and don't do that, of course. This is the luck we've had today with this project, ladies and gentlemen. And you saw that we actually had to use some twine. So, yeah, we're going to fix this because it's not working out the way that we'd done it before and it came loose. So anyway, there. Got it. I hate zip ties. I honestly hate zip ties. Okay, so a little bit of finagling, a lot of hot glue, and some string helped us get this thing together. So I'll bring it a little closer so you can actually see if I can get it to lean without it. Here. So basically what we did is we have the bottle, and as you really can't see it from here, but it's not too far from the top. It basically allows the seed to kind of trickle out but not fall completely out. That would probably be about the right amount there because it was too close, but anyway, that's sort of how it turned out. Katie, this project was indeed, you know, we took a simple idea and made it very complicated with the zip ties. I think copper wire would have done, or maybe maybe a wire would have been a lot better. Just wrap it around and then cut some holes in the pie tin. But with what we had, we made it work. I actually have another idea in mind that maybe one day we can try, which is the hummingbird feeders. That's going to take a lot more work though. The bottle is removable, but right now, because of the hot glue, I don't want to risk it right now. Maybe like in a couple of days, but Katie, what'd you think of this project?
I didn't really like it too much, to be completely honest.
Yeah, it was. The issue.
It's a neat idea, though.
Yeah, it's a great idea. It's just a complicated idea. So I don't know if you want to try this or not, but if you've got the stuff laying around and you want to make a bird feeder that would really kind of stand out, and you know you've got an alcoholic friend or parent, this would be perfect. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Also, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of today's project, or what you'd like to see us do next. Also, hit that bell icon. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey everybody, it's me, Honey Kitty, and I'm fighting a demon tree snake thingy. And anyway, click on that round subscribe button and that video. Anyway, I gotta run, this thing's gonna kill me, bye!